Welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see MSCET Law sample paper. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will see question number 1. Thimphu is the capital of dash. Answer is Bhutan. Question number 2. The angle of a triangle are in the ratio 1 to 3. The greatest angle will be dash. Answer is 90 degree. Question number 3. An interpretation of the Constitution of India is based on the spirit of dash. Answer is preamble. Question number 4. Find the correctly spelled word dash. Answer is embrace. Question number 5. How many such letter pairs are there in the word perfumery having same number of letters left between them as they have in the series dash? Answer is 3. Question number 6. On the eve of Diwali festival, a group of 12 friends greeted every other friend by sending greeting cards. Find the number of cards purchased by the group dash. Answer is 132. Question number 7. Treatment of dengue fever may require dash. Answer is platelet transfusion. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a wireless data transfer technology dash? Answer is MP4. Question number 9. Choose the word having meaning opposite of erudite dash. Answer is ignorant. Question number 10. Which provision of the Constitution of India contains special provision with respect to Delhi dash? Answer is Article 239 AA. Question number 11. Which article is referred to as the jewel of the Constitution dash? Answer is Article 32. Question number 12. What will be simple interest on rupees 600 at the rate 3.5% per annum for 4 years dash? Answer is rupees 84. Question number 13. Banal is most opposite to dash. Answer is extraordinary. Question number 14. On selling an article for rupees 270, there is a gain of 12.5%. What is its cost price dash? Answer is rupees 240. Question number 15. Choose the word having the same meaning of obsequious dash. Answer is subservient. Question number 16. What is an anagram dash? Answer is the result of rearranging the letters of a word or phrase to produce a new word or phrase. Question number 17. Two Hindus who are sapindas of each other get married under the Special Marriage Act 1954. The marriage is dash. Answer is valid. Question number 18. In India, right to property is a dash. Answer is legal right. Question number 19. Point out the incorrect pair dash. Incorrect pair is Article 323A Constitutional Protection to Civil Servant. Question number 20. 25 men can complete a work in 8 days. 15 women can complete the same piece of work in 20 days. And 9 children can complete it in 40 days. In how many days can one man, one woman and one child together complete the same piece of work? Answer is 90 days. Question number 21. The vermiform appendix in humans is an example of dash. Answer is vestigial organ. Question number 22. Poliovirus is primarily transmitted via dash. Answer is contaminated food and water. Question number 23. Two pipes can fill a tank in 10 minutes and 30 minutes respectively, and a third pipe can empty the full tank in 20 minutes if all the three pipes are opened simultaneously. The tank will be. Answer is none of these. Question number 24. The synonym of the word spark is dash. Answer is flash. Question number 25. The first metal used by man was dash. Answer is copper. First metal is copper. Question number 26. Where is the world's highest waterfall located? Dash. Answer is Venezuela. Question number 27. Human saliva contains enzymes necessary for breakdown of dash. Answer is starch. Question number 28. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the fundamental duties? Dash. Answer is Article 51A, fundamental duties. Question number 29. Theft of another person's writing or ideas and passing them off as one's own. Answer is plagiarism. Question number 30. Choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the given idiom phrase. He and his friend are sailing in the same boat. Dash. Answer is being in the same difficult situation. Question number 31. What is the meaning of phrase ubi jus ibi remedium? Means answer is where there is a right, there is a remedy. Question number 32. Which of the following substance is an anticoagulant? Dash. Answer is heparin. Question number 33. You purchase a mobile phone handset which stopped working in its guarantee period. The mobile handset manufacturer is refusing to repair or replace the same. What would you do to get justice quickly? Answer is approach the Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum. Question number 34. The chemical used in tear gas are known as dash. Answer is lacrimatory agent. Question number 35. If A's income is 25% less than B's, by what percent is B's income greater than that of A dash? Answer is none of these. Question number 36. Find the wrong number in this series. 7, 28, 63, 124, 215, 342. Answer is 28. Question number 37. The fundamental duties in the Constitution of India were adopted from. Answer is Russian Constitution. Question number 38. Which number is wrong in the given series? 1, 9, 25, 50, 81, dash. Answer is 50 is a wrong number. Question number 39. The Constituent Assembly was set according to the proposals of dash. Answer is the Cabinet Mission. Question number 40. Wanton is most opposite to. Answer is merciful. Question number 41. Bar is a unit of dash pressure. Question number 42. Cognition refers to. Answer is the faculty of perception. Question number 43. Which British doctrine is considered as one of the reasons leading to the First War of Independence, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny? Answer is Doctrine of Lapse. Question number 46. Which provision of the Constitution of India are applicable to both of the High Courts and the Supreme Court? Answer is those relating to removal of judges. Thank you friends and best of luck.